Hello, I'm Jovan Johnson. An official with Vybz Kartel's team said the entertainer is awaiting his passport to confirm reports.
To all the fans them and well-wishers out there, the real people them, I want you to know, say, my name Gangoolie, and today is my birthday.
It's your birthday, enjoy it, don't let no one destroy it, live it to the fullest, and that if you do yes, love your life, be grateful for it.
A girl I make me know say she there in her room, you know, and her man I use the bathroom. And the girl I make me know say man come out of the bathroom and come lie down beside her. But when the man come beside her, she smell a stinking scent. So she wonder to herself, she wonder if the man go do number 2 and not clean up himself good.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yes, man, blessed the one. Greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV and the man of peace. They are about getting to go to work. But before I go to work, I want to do a quick vlog, you know what I mean? You know, I haven't been active since of lately, because you know the thing go. You see me? Yeah, man, don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. You know, the man of peace, and me always I say take the violence off the streets, live in love and unity and strength. You see me, I say? Anyway, you're checking right now, and I watch a vlog here, I don't know guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. You see me? Yes, man, and don't forget to like and share the content. You see me, I say? In this episode, we have Vybz Kartel. Amen. Looking forward to get his visa, US visa, so he can attend the Grammy Awards, and hopefully with the aim, high hopes of winning his first Grammy. Zine, and also, you know, we look at what is on me mouse? I'm out. Fat pudding y'all there dance. Yo. Why not? I'll buff up so. I'm gonna see what I go. And also, you don't do Gangoolie. Yeah, man, I want to send a birthday wishes to Gangoolie. See? Yeah, man, today birthday. Happy birthday, brother. You see me? Yes, man, you don't know. My brother named King Calvin. I think also, yeah, I send out a positive message. A really, real situation that happened with. Man, make sure, tell the woman them, say, yo, be careful that some of the man them want to sleep with. And enough of them are bad energy, enough of them are dwelling in evil, and it will brush off my yo. For them, you know the thing at Jamaica now go and gozo. If I know gozo, you see me? Gozo don't want them things there with the cow, the goat and the fowl and all of them things there. You see me? It's like I just say a thing there, you know. You see it? So make on hear brother say it makes sense, positivity matter. You see me? But before that I don't know a Gangoolie birthday. So you Gangoolie I say.
To all the fans them and well-wishers out there, the real people them, I want you to know, say, my name Gangoolie. And today is my birthday, my celebration, my earth strong. I don't know say long talking, me no pearl long. Only if you don't say me no go put in our cake. But just give thanks to the Almighty, say. But wake. I know say good health bring good wealth. Probably will never know say I'm a real January born, you know. Stubborn. Ambitious, persistent. I don't know the rest. Them know say them nothing test. So you know say me I celebrate my day today. My special day. Life are the greatest. Give thanks to my parents who birthed me. Wicked them can't hurt me. Happy birthday.
Big up yourself, Gangoolie. I wish you long life and prosperity, brother. I hope you live to see many more earth strong, you see me? King in the earth, you see me? We are all king, your brother, so you don't know. It's your birthday, enjoy it.
Yeah, today I heard it. I just wanna wish you happy birthday.
Yes, man, happy birthday again, Gangoolie. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, kick it off now. Vybz Kartel, this is a news that made the news, the Gleaner. Here we go.
Hello, I'm Jovan Johnson. An official with Vybz Kartel's team said the entertainer is awaiting his passport to confirm reports that he has been granted a United States visa.
Yes, man. Vybz Kartel, if Vybz Kartel get him visa, remember, New York, shell down. England, shell down any more forward, you see me? But America, touch back in America street, Vybz Kartel, I wish you all the best. You know what I mean? Like even nobody wants to say, I know we don't wish bad for people. You see me, and everybody made mistakes, no one is perfect. But Vybz Kartel, If Vybz Kartel get back in visa and work permit, as a matter of fact, a murder. Easy.
The development comes as Kartel eyes a Grammy win with his Best Reggae Album nomination ahead of the February 2 ceremony at Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles.
Yes, man, and the crew, his team members them around him are in high hopes. The Gaza nation them are in high hopes. Who in America who can't travel, you know, for come to Jamaica, who miss out on Freedom Street, they are in high hopes. The promoters them are in high hopes, because you know, for them getting visa and work permit, yeah, man, promoter go put on whole heap of show in New York. Rich again, richer. You see, but big up Vybz Kartel, they don't know, yeah. Zane, yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about that. Like, my viewers and subscribers, if you think Kartel I go win the Grammy, I have a chance, yeah, in it 2 minutes. You see me? You know, I think Shenseea, them say one of the rivals close to him. So this is what he posted.
Billboard predicts Vybz Kartel will win Best Reggae Album Grammy. Shenseea, a close contender. Whalers, wild card. And this is coming from the worldmusicviews.com. See? Yeah, man, so let me know what y'all think. Vybz Kartel win it or Shenseea, or the Whalers might win it again.
Moving on now, I don't know. Peace more what is on my mouth. Yo. Oh, they sitting both up, so. Jaja gotta where she have that? Yo. Nah, like you bless mama. I want this ad that we do was I'm out. Yeah, man, the song #1. It again #1 on the YouTube chart, you know. Boy, I tell you. Moving on, my viewers and subscribers now. Here what that generally I say. You see me? Yeah, man, here what that generally I say. But the female them, I want the female them. I'm going to share this to a female. Tell them to know what them do. You see me? Careful of what them sleep with. You have some man in a trouble, bad man, gunman, and it brush off on them, the woman them lose them life. But you what the brother I say.
A girl I make me know say she there in her room, you know, and her man I use the bathroom. And the girl I make me know say man come out of the bathroom and come lie down beside her. But when the man come beside her, she smell a stinking scent. So she wonder to herself, she wonder if the man go do number 2 and not clean up himself good. So the girl said she get up off of the bed and she go into the bathroom, you know, to go check out what go on. When she go into the bathroom, she see a bath pan, she a pan with blood in it. When she look closer, she see one dead fowl in the bathroom. So she said to herself, say, what kind of behavior this here? You understand? And she go back and ask the man, say, what kind of style that? You get to me, I say, the man I make it, she know, say, a money, for your money style, she man, the beard wipe up with blood and them thing there. So me ask myself the question, why profit a man to gain the world and lose him soul? And I see some of you ladies who take on some demon. You have some man who walk around, them have some little ill mentality. You get to me, I say when you start sleep with them, you see you as a woman who used to have nice glowing skin, your skin just start break out. Yeah man. You see, you were used to be fat and looking healthy, right now you can suckle water in your collarbone. Sometimes some man coming on life, then come with some evil spirits you can't hear from God. Yeah man, you can't hear from God. Because guess what, them are energy drainer. You understand? Them come to distract and destroy you. You don't remember your purpose as a woman anymore. You have some real evil individual walking around. So ladies, you know, be careful. Because the man them want to do some things, some money. And guess what? Sometimes some ritual them are run with all you involved and all of these things. And let me tell you this, 100% of the things that happen in this world is spiritual. So that's why you have to ensure, say, you see the man we know sleep with is in one accord with God. Some man who take up some man who know say do some evil little things and I realize say karma real. And know say the evil are going to reach uno. Not because your man do it. If you are sleep with a man who is not a godly man or a man who is spiritually grounded, best believe you go feel the consequences of whatever he's doing because he must sleep with you as a woman. Believe.
Yes, man. You know, the brother say real talk. Real talk. I love that message. I remember give positive message, you know. And hope the woman them can listen. The young female them can listen and take heed, you know. Take it on board and know the men them background before you go in too deep with them and sleep with them. You see me? Or you might end up get stuck and run out of luck. You see me? See where they them find a young female girl in a St. Thomas there. Naked and dirt and alive. You see me? Sad. It's stop the violence against women. Viewers and subscribers, I go in there, I don't know. Time I run up and also. Big up on yourself. And the man of peace. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And please, when you can go check out my song, what really I go on the island. And share it for me, I send it viral. Come on, man. We want a chance in our business too, man. So we can maybe win the Grammy one day, you know? Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Blessed love. I don't know, I'm available for bookings. You see? And to the youths in Jamaica, stop the crime. I want to know, I beg you, please, stop the crime. Stop the crime. Think twice before you make that choice. I'm a man of peace. I'm out.